Hi guys! Today we make fish and chips.
4 potatoes, a cup of flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon ground black pepper, 1 cup of milk, 1 egg, a quart of oil, 1 pound cold fillets. Plate, refrigerator, mixer, knife, fork, measuring cup, frying pan.
First, we put the potatoes into a bowl with cold water. Secondly, in another bowl, mix the flour, the baking powder, salt, and pepper. Then add the milk and the egg. Mix well. Let the mixture rest for 20 minutes. I cook the potatoes. Also, preheat the oil with a flour pan. Fry the potatoes in a hot oil. Now, I put the fish. Dry the fish in a butter. Also, fry the fish. Now, I'm tasting. It's delicious! Bye bye, see you soon!